In this video, I'll detail how to fix missing controls in iPhone Control Center on iOS 18. So if you recently upgraded to the latest iOS 18 and you discover that when you go to the Control Center, some functions or controls are missing on the Control Center which you normally use and you want to add it back to the Control Center, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you're done with this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix missing controls in iPhone Control Center on iOS 18, all you just need to do is swipe down the Control Center like this. Then press and hold the Control Center page until you see this edit button. Then click on add a control. Now here you have access to all the controls you have on your iPhone that you can add to your iPhone Control Center on iOS 18. Now locate the control that is missing on your iPhone Control Center. Maybe you're talking about the music control. You can just click on it and this is going to add the music control to your iPhone Control Center like this. Then click on add a control again to add other control that is not available on the Control Center, but you always use this particular control as one of the coolest features you enjoy using on the iOS 18. Go ahead and add it again. Then once you add it, you can just expand it like this to make it easy to recognize. And once you're done, click outside or exit the page. So if you swipe down again, then you should be able to see the new control you added or the missing control on your iPhone Control Center. So that is basically how you can fix or re-add missing controls in iPhone Control Center on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.